Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to start Ford Ranger with key only way. Insert the key fully, make sure the truck is in park and parking brake is set. Turn the key to the accessory position to check dash lights and fuel pump sound. If lights look normal, turn the key to the start position and hold until the engine fires. Release once it runs, and let it warm briefly before driving. If your Ford Ranger won't start, stay calm and work through simple checks. Wiggle the steering wheel while turning the key to free a locked column. Verify battery health by observing dash brightness and listening for a starter click. Confirm the fuel pump primes and inspect relevant fuses. Try a second attempt after a short pause to let the starter cool. These quick checks often solve common non-starting issues. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite is awesome for reading service manuals and tutorials anywhere, with a bright screen and long battery life that beats flipping through greasy paper. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. A few preventive habits keep starting reliable and stress-free. Clean and tighten battery terminals and replace the battery when cranking slows noticeably. Swap a worn key or a sloppy ignition cylinder before it breaks. Have the starter and charging system inspected at routine service intervals. Carry a simple jumper pack and a spare key so you can handle common issues quickly and get back on the road with minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.